Morning guys, and welcome to Leicester Retro Fords. This is my Mark 4 Escort 1.3 overhead valve. It was my pride and joy until somebody went into it. Dented it there, and then 2 weeks later somebody reversed into my door and my wing. And then it's come off the road. It's going to have a bit of a restoration. Taking all the engine and everything out at the minute, ready to clean up, paint, tidy the bay up. The bay itself's pretty solid. It's had a battery tray sometime its life, and that's been done pretty good. All the interior is out already. That's Grandad, the Facebook page mascot. I've got some welding to get done. Seals, arches, did all underneath through lockdown, stripped it bare. But yeah, there's Raymond, Mark 4, and this is Bugs, the Mark 3 1.6 estate. That's my daily motor at the minute. Anyway guys, enjoy your day, speak to you soon.